After a successful Russia visit, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi is now in Austria. The visit comes at a time when both the countries are celebrating 75 years of their diplomatic ties. This also happens to be the first visit by Indian Prime Minister to Austria in 41 years. Ahead of his visit, Prime Minister described the India-Austria relationship as one that is built on the shared values of democracy. So what's on his agenda? During his stay in Vienna, Prime Minister is going to call on Austrian President Alexander Van der Bellen, and he is also going to hold talks with the country's Chancellor. Both the leaders will also address business leaders from India and Austria. Now, apart from this, Prime Minister Modi is also going to interact with the Indian diaspora. There are about 32,000 Indians present in the country. These are mostly from Kerala and Punjab. When we talk about ties between the two countries, New Delhi describes Austria as an important Central European country that offers opportunities for bilateral cooperation in several sectors such as infrastructure, renewable energy, high technology areas, startup sectors, media and entertainment. A recent example of the growing ties between the two countries is the launch of India-Austria Startup Bridge in February 2024. And when we talk about the trade between the two countries, it is quite balanced. India exports electronic goods, textiles, footwear, machinery, while imports machinery, railway parts and steel from Austria. Prime Minister Modi's visit aims to build on these progress made so far in the ties and explore new avenues for collaboration. So this is what is on Prime Minister's agenda for this Austria visit. For more such videos, stay tuned to India Today Global.